predominant method of learning and teaching Arabic language today is one through learning rules of grammar and principles of grammar. And for a foreigner, that doesn't really work very well, because you can only learn the grammar and apply the grammar rules to a language that you're already familiar with. So if we don't first and foremost understand and appreciate learning the Arabic language as a language first, then to a certain extent the grammar rules and the application of the grammar will not be too fruitful. For that reason, we like to concentrate on the 4 aspects of learning the language, i.e. the listening, the speaking, reading and writing. But what's important is that order, because naturally as children, when we're growing up, we learn how to speak through listening and then copying and then speaking what we listen to. And then it's only later on when we have the ability to read and write, that's when that happens. So we like to concentrate on the aspects of learning in that order. So we do concentrate on the students listening to the Ustadh or the Ustadha, and then the students repeating back and articulating words and phrases and even sentences in Arabic in order for them to become familiar with the language. It's only then we can then go through the intricacies of the grammar and the rules and the principles for them to apply to the language.